This is fit for a 2018 and beyond Subaru CrossTrek with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Raised Rail Evo WingBar Evo base roof rack system. This system is using the WingBar Evo crossbars in black, 47 inches in length, the Raised Rail Evo foot pack, which clamps to the raised side rails. The crossbars here are positioned at 27 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.